I've got this month's Contenders and Pretenders. Stay tuned. Thank you for joining me today. I have a favorites video in case you don't know what Contenders and Pretenders is. It's some favorites, it's some not favorites. If you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you'll just click that button below, that will subscribe you to my channel so you won't miss a minute of the chaos. Let's get right into this. The first thing I have as a favorite is some shampoo. Now, there's a backstory to this shampoo. We were having a little mini vacation in Louisiana for a few days, and I didn't bring any shampoo because I thought I had booked a nice hotel. And you know how they have the little shampoo samples. Well, I should have known better that at that price it wasn't going to be a nice hotel. It was a motel, and it wasn't a great motel. No shampoo samples. But easy enough to remedy because I just ran to Target and got these. I just found what was, a decent price, knowing that I probably wouldn't use it very often. And boy howdy, was I ever wrong. This stuff gives a volume that you would not believe. It smells good. It's fantastic. This is L'Oreal Elvive. Elvive. And it's great. This is Jergens Wet Skin Moisturizer. And I love this stuff so much. You know how when you get out of the bath, the shower, and your skin is wet and you try to rub lotion in and it just becomes this big globby mess that you can't get rubbed in because it's repelled by the water and it's just, you end up wiping off lotion? No, just me. Alrighty. Well, this does not do that. This rubs in immediately on wet skin. This will forever be in my arsenal. I'm going to rub this in after every shower for the rest of my life. This is the Clinique Chubby Stick that Angie used on her channel, Hot and Flashy. I'll link Hot and Flashy below in case you've not ever watched any of her videos. And this stuff is magic. I don't have any on right now, so I wanted to show you how great this stuff is. And then you just pat it in a little bit. Isn't that nice? I don't have a mirror. Let's hope that this is rubbed in. Anyways, I just love it. It goes on super smoothly. It easily rubs in. I usually just pat it on with my fingers before a mirror. And it gives me just that instant lift, which is what highlighter is supposed to do. Am I right? Don't we all want that lift? This stuff's a winner. It's currently my favorite highlighter. Outlast CoverGirl Compact. This is foundation. Now, the thing I like about it, I think the thing that really is the thing I like about it is this little foam pad. Now, I know I could use a foam pad with any foundation, but there is something about this formula that makes me feel really good. It just makes me feel like I'm having a good skin day. I like to use it on those days when I'm in a hurry, when I don't have a lot of time, because it really just blends right in with that little foam applicator. It's just really pretty coverage. Of course, this is my all-time favorite line for moisturizer. This is the Organic Surge. Now, this is the daytime formula. It's called Blissful Daily. It is too thick for me to use in the morning, so I use this in the night. And I always wake up completely moisturized. In fact, I will have to wash this stuff off in the morning to start fresh. That's how good it is. And then I've got a food favorite. These are called Flips. This particular flavor is the Salted Caramel Crunch. And what you do is you take the lid off, you fold this one over into the yogurt. It is Greek yogurt. It's by Chobani, and it is so delicious. These are only $1. These make a great breakfast. Every flavor is delicious. There's so many flavors, and you can't go wrong with any of them. If you're trying to have a healthy breakfast or breakfast on the go, I highly, highly recommend these. And last, I've got a pretender. The rain must fall on us all. Something weird like that, I should say here. This is called... Well, this is just a little lipstick that I got off of Amazon. I'm going to insert some pictures here of how awful it looks on and how hard it is to get off. This is going directly into my trash, never to be seen or heard from again. Thank you for joining me here today. If you're new, I would love to have you as a subscriber. If you'll click that picture just above me, that will subscribe you to my channel. Makeup, skincare, hair, nails, you name it. I do it all, and it's chaos here all the time. Here's a video for you to watch while you wait for my next upload. And in the comments, be sure to tell me what you're loving this month. Can't wait to find out and give it a try myself. Be blessed.